garments worn, the edges torn, the color's gone, I must move on. My courage now I call to rise above this wall. Oh, castles loved, now they must fall. A compass in my empty hand, no footprints in the burning sand. I must trust this call, whether I rise or fall. It never let me down before. What happens now? I begin again. What happens now? What happens now on the path ahead? What happens now? What happens now? I dance again. What happens now? What happens now? I spin again. What happens now? A safety net below my feet, walking down the cobbled streets. The city lights shine bright, must plant the seeds tonight. We must be sown before the dawn. My wings span the vast unknown. This new life is cast and thrown. I own this second chance. It's painted horses prance. Naked I ride the crimson tide.